Hello everyone, how you doing? Welcome to Jumian's channel. I'm sorry it's been a while and I am really glad to be back though. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how I make this super natural hair tea that is good for hair growth. During the winter, I plan on growing my hair longer, and this is one of the products that I'm going to be using. I chose all the ingredients in this tea for a reason, because it's going to help me to achieve what it needs to achieve. And here are the powders that I use for the tea. I use amla powder because it stimulates hair growth, contains phytonutrients and vitamins that help stimulate scalp, and is good for length and volume. I chose fenugreek powder because it stimulates blood flow in the scalp. It nourishes hair follicles and it is an anti-inflammatory. Ashwagandha powder, it reduces hair growth cycle. This is really important because it helps to keep our hair longer. It keeps our hair longer. Bringraj powder helps fight hair loss. It helps with gray hair too, which I have some of those. And it helps with hair growth. I chose aloe vera powder because it's going to be the conditioner for this tea. It helps in hair shine and promote hair growth too. So without much ado, I am going to show you how I make this tea. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up for this video. Subscribe to this channel if you're not, and please continue to watch.